Evaporation. Presentation. Evaporation, a standard thermally driven unit operation. Learn 3 methods to improve evaporator efficiency. Evaporation is a unit operation that separates a liquid from solids by means of heat transfer via vaporization or boiling. The purpose of evaporation is to concentrate a solution of a non-volatile solute, that is, solids, and a solvent, that is, liquid, which is typically water. Evaporating a portion of the solvent concentrates the solute into a more viscous liquid product. Evaporation is regularly used in the food processing, chemical, craft paper, and pharmaceutical industries to produce liquid concentrates. The basics. All evaporators are comprised of a heating section, called a steam chest, and a vapor, liquid separation section. These sections can be located within a single vessel, body, or the heating section may be external to the ship that houses the vapor, liquid separation section. Evaporation in industry. Evaporation is used for subtle, different purposes and with different results in each industry. In the food processing industry, food products are concentrated to increase their shelf life, reduce volume and weight, reduce storage costs, reduce transportation costs, and increase value. The concentration of fresh foods, such as fruit juices, is an economical way to make use of perishable crops during peak harvest periods. Fruit juice concentrates and tomato paste is 2 examples of seasonal foods that evaporation preserves for year-round consumption. Lower water activity, which is a general indication of microbiological stability, keeps concentrated foods. Evaporators in the food industry. The economics of a process dictate the evaporator type and configuration best suited to a particular application. The 3 most common types of evaporators used in food concentration are long tube vertical evaporators, forced circulation evaporators, and plate-type evaporators. Falling film evaporators are constructed around a vertical bundle of large-diameter long tubes, with a liquid distributor on top and a vapor, liquid separator section below. The liquid is fed into the top of the heat exchanger tubes and flows as a film down the inner walls. Heat transferred from the condensing steam through the tube walls creates boiling conditions, and the vapor generated escapes into the inner void. As the film flows downward and water evaporates, the film becomes thinner and the liquid becomes more viscous. Wrapping on. The primary means of increasing the steam economy of an evaporator is to reuse the latent heat of the water vapor. A multiple effect evaporator uses the water vapor from one effect as the heating medium for the next effect, which operates at a lower boiling point. The latent heat in water vapor can also be reused by thermally or mechanically compressing the vapor to a higher pressure and temperature. These THRF micro methods of improving efficiency have their limits, however, which are specific to the physical properties of the liquid feed being evaporated. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address, follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.